Okay, let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Okay,
wabarakatuh.
good morning again, Miss Rini.
Morning, Miss Neni.
Okay, you look so happy today. Is it
Because
because you're
I'm
going to
going to
Jakarta?
home.
Ah, yeah, I see. So you can see your children, yeah?
Yes, and my husband
And your
and my
husband as well.
house.
Okay, let's have a nice breathing first. Yeah. Okay, as usual, we have a speak up challenge. And I call it as deep conversation. So as you can see on the wheel, there are many questions, okay, that you have to answer. Let's spin first. And what is the first question that you have to answer? If you could have three wishes granted to you right now, what would you ask for?
Right now, what would you ask for?
Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. If I could have three wishes, I want to. My mom recover.
Recover. Oh,
Recover.
is she sick right now?
She is sick now. She is sick
Okay.
now. Okay. One, I want to my mom recover her sick. Two,
The second one.
the second. Oh yeah, the second.
Yeah.
I want to my for me.
Yeah.
I'm moving to Jakarta again.
Oh, okay.
And the third, I wish to my children, my my first and my second children, to continue the study. That's it.
Okay. Okay. If I were you, for the third wish, for the third wish, I will ask. I would like three more wishes.
Oh yeah.
Okay. No, if I were you, for the third wish, I would like to have three more wishes.
More than three.
Yes.
Oh.
Do you know what I mean? Okay, for example, the first one, before you said that you would like your mom to get well soon. Okay, and then the second one, you would like your children to continue their study, and then the third one, if I were you, I would like to have three more wishes.
Oh yes.
Right?
Good.
Okay.
So the wishes is more and more and more.
Yes, more and more and more. Okay, the second one. Okay, and the second topic is about okay. What does happiness look like to you?
What does happiness look like to you? It means
It means like in your opinion, what is happiness?
In my opinion,
what is a happiness for you, or what makes you happy?
Happiness for me. Okay. Happiness for me is everything go to the right.
Okay, so everything
everything
works well. You can say
works
everything
well.
works
Yes,
well.
everything works well. It's happiness.
So it means when you find something doesn't go on your way, then it will make you unhappy.
Yes, maybe in my work, if the uh, work doesn't uh,
Doesn't work well.
doesn't work well, and the target not achieved,
Mhm.
and my team not my team
Mhm.
work not well,
Mhm.
and if in my family,
Mhm.
uh, my husband or my children,
Mhm.
uh, maybe they uh,
Mhm.
maybe they are
Mhm.
uh, busy with
Mhm.
her acti maybe they are
Mhm.
busy with their activity,
Mhm.
and uh, they are not remember me,
Mhm.
maybe.
They do not remember you. Mhm.
Yes.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, and
And
then when you find something doesn't go on your way, what is your first reaction?
excuse me.
Yeah, when you find something doesn't go on your way, what is your first reaction?
Oh,
Mhm.
uh, I feel I feel not happy.
Mhm.
I feel not
Mhm.
happy.
Mhm.
Uh, uh, it can I can feel sad, and I
Mhm.
can feel the the emotion
Mhm.
will
Mhm.
be angry.
Mhm. Mhm. So you'll be sensitive, yeah.
Yes, and
Mhm.
I'm
Mhm.
trying to control my emotion.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, and then before you told me that you are unhappy when you cannot achieve your target, right? We call it
Yes,
as target.
yes,
Um, do you think working with target means working under pressure?
yes. Working in
Yes.
target
Mhm.
is working in under pressure.
Mhm. And
It's
then,
right.
mhm. And how do you deal with that?
Uh,
As we know that you have been working there for a long time, right? So it
yes,
means you can control everything, yeah, almost everything there. You can,
yes. I
yeah.
try to control everything. I manage I manage uh the plan,
Mhm.
and my team. I think uh I control my team to work with the plan,
Mhm. Mhm.
and run to run to well, and monitoring
Mhm.
after that, and evaluation,
Mhm.
and then we'll see the result.
Mhm. Mhm. And since I do not really know about banks, right, Miss Rini, so I'd like to
Oh,
ask you,
okay,
yeah, so
okay,
I'd like to
okay,
ask you, when you
okay.
say target, does it mean getting more customers?
Uh, for me in the regional office,
Mhm.
uh, mm, we have brands
Mhm.
to product the production,
Mhm.
the funding,
Mhm.
saving account,
Mhm.
and then to lending,
Mhm.
to distribution the
Mhm.
credit,
Okay, to
and
distribute the
then
credit cards, yeah.
yes,
Mhm. Mhm.
yes, and then if I no, 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 no. If uh, distribution atau the execution
Mhm.
credit,
Mhm.
we call customer is debitor or no.
Okay.
Yes, and
Mhm.
then we we have we should have monitoring. We should have
Mhm.
monitoring the
Mhm.
debitor because
Mhm.
the credit is go to uh, apa well ya, go
Mhm.
to a good performing loan.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm sure that sometimes working under pressure also make you feel stressed, right?
Yes.
And when you feel stressed, what do you usually do?
Uh, I try to I try to have a friend. I have a
Mhm.
friend
Mhm.
and I have a team. Uh,
Mhm.
I should talk to friend or my team.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
And I I realize to uh, redeem
Mhm.
my stress
Mhm.
if I
Release, yeah, to release
release
my stress. Yeah.
release my stress.
Mhm. Mhm.
Uh, if I talk to them and
Mhm.
I share my
Mhm.
uh, my apa ya ya my
Problem maybe.
ya
Mhm.
eh, apa ya kekhawatiran ke itu apa ya
Okay, my worry.
my worry
Mhm. Mhm.
I worry about
Mhm.
uh, the situation.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, next. It will be the last topic for our ice breaking. What are the things you are most grateful for?
What are the things you are most grateful?
Mhm.
Grateful is
Grateful means
oh,
thankful. Thankful. So
thankful.
you are so thankful for having something maybe.
What are the
Mhm.
things?
Bersyukur, we can say that in Bahasa Indonesia. Things
Uh,
that make you things you are most grateful. It means like hal yang
thankful.
membuat paling bersyukur.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mm, I always think I always uh,
Feel grateful.
feel grateful.
Mhm.
I always feel grateful.
Mhm.
I always try to remember
Mhm.
in apa ya in this situation I
Mhm.
always try to grateful to my religion. uh,
Mhm.
uh,
Mhm.
Allah is give me
Mhm.
m- more or many ya more and
Yeah. Mhm. 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 Did you
more.
mean that if you are grateful, then he will give you more and more?
Yes, more,
Mhm. Mhm.
he give me more and more. So
Mhm.
I think the situation or happy or sad, it's
Mhm.
grateful. It's grateful for me.
Mhm. Mhm.
Because I percaya apa ya?
I believe.
I believe.
Yeah,
Yes.
I believe.
I believe the many more situation is apa ya memberikan
Mhm.
saya kekuatan.
Okay. So,
Yes.
yeah, the hardest situation you face, then it will make you stronger and
Yes.
stronger.
Yes.
Yeah. Mhm.
So
Yeah.
I'm grateful everything.
Yeah. 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 As we know that as a Muslim, whatever problem we face, we have to be grateful whether we have happiness or sadness, we have
Yes.
still we have to be grateful, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And cause I believe I try everything. I
Mhm.
try.
Mhm.
I'm not stay. I'm not
Mhm.
silent. No, I
Mhm.
try and
Mhm.
I uh uh
You act, yeah. You act to
yes,
solve the
yes,
problem.
yes,
Mhm. Mhm.
yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Mhm. Yeah,
If the
we call it
result,
as
mm,
ikhtiar, right?
yes,
Yes.
yeah. If the result
Mhm.
not well,
Mhm. Mhm.
it's okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Maybe in the first time I feel
Mhm.
sad, I feel
Mhm.
angry, I
Mhm.
feel emotion,
Mhm.
cause
Mhm.
and then I break
Mhm.
up apa ya and think it's
Mhm.
okay.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. So after we did our best and then the result is not satisfying, then still we have to be grateful. We have to be passionate.
Yes,
Oh, it's okay because yeah, we can plan anything, but Allah is the best planner, right?
yes,
Yeah.
and then try again to
Try again.
second plan.
Yeah. And never
Not to
lost
stop.
hope.
Yeah,
Yeah.
never
Never
stop,
stop
never stop,
to try.
never.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
great then.
never stop.
So that's the positive thing that I can learn from you.
But under pressure is go on.
Yeah. Okay. Next, this one. Okay, wait. Okay, and I have this picture, Miss Lini, as you can see on the screen.
Yes,
Okay, what they are doing?
they're jogging.
They are jogging.
Jogging.
Okay. Do you like jogging?
Yes, I
Mm-hmm.
like.
Mm-hmm. How often do you go jogging in a week?
Uh, almost every day. Almost.
Oh, almost every
Almost.
day.
Almost.
And when do you usually go jogging? In the morning or in the afternoon?
Uh, around Around my house in
Mm-hmm.
Pelaburan.
Okay. And
Okay.
when is it?
In the
When
morning.
is it? In the
In the
morning.
morning.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And how long does it take for you to go jogging?
Uh, half hour.
Okay, 30 minutes, half hour, yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And do you go jogging alone?
I'm jogging alone in
So
the
in
morning.
Semarang as well, you still like to go jogging?
Yes.
Oh,
If
wow, that's great.
if
Mm-hmm.
I'm not in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
I jogging
Mm-hmm.
in Trilomba Juang ya
Oh, okay.
in the afternoon with
Mm-hmm.
my team
Mm-hmm.
once
Oh, once a
once
week.
once a
Yeah,
week
once a week. Okay,
once a week.
so you go jogging once a week with your team.
Yes,
Yeah, so instead of saying I jogging, you can say
I
I go jogging.
go
Go
jogging.
jogging. I go jogging. And can you tell me the positive things that you get when you go jogging?
The positive thing,
Yeah. Mhm, mhm,
the positive thing,
mhm.
I feel, I feel,
I feel.
I
I
feel,
feel. Mhm,
I feel fresh.
mhm,
And if I jog, if I go jogging with my team, I feel happy
mhm.
because we have talk about something
Okay.
uh, exclude work, exclude
Okay. Excluded work. Yeah.
excluded
So you
work.
talk about another things. Okay.
Talk
Mhm,
another thing. We
mhm,
are laughing.
mhm, mhm. So you
Uh,
you laugh. Okay. But
yes.
then when you talk about work again, that it will make you
Mm,
stressful again.
stop to talk about working.
Yeah,
Stop
same.
to talk
That's
about work.
also what I do with my team. So every Sunday we still have conversation through via WhatsApp or Telegram, but we never want to talk about work.
Yes, it's
Yes,
good.
yeah, that's good. Okay, and what other sports do you like to do, Miss Rini?
Swimming?
instead of jogging? Oh, swimming. Okay. Do you go swimming too in Semarang?
No,
No.
in
Okay.
Jakarta.
So when did you last go swimming?
Uh, uh, minggu lalu tuh apa ya?
Last week.
Last week.
Last
Last
week. Oh,
last
last week you were in Jakarta and you
Yes,
went
last week.
swimming.
Yes.
See. Okay. What about Pilates? Pilates?
Pilates? Pilates?
Pilates.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like
Do you like
Pilates.
it?
Yes, I like Pilates. I do, yeah. I doing.
Yes, I do. I do Pilates.
I do Pilates before I moved to Semarang.
Oh,
When
okay.
I work in Jakarta. I have a team.
Oh.
I have a team in the office.
Okay.
We are on schedule of Pilates.
Oh, okay. So join a Pilates
once a week.
club. Okay. So do you join Pilates club?
No, I'm not joining Pilates club in the outside, but we call the teacher.
Okay. So
We
you
bring,
call the instructor, yeah?
yes, the
You
instructor.
call
We
the
bring the
instructor.
instructor to the office.
I
After office
see.
hour, we go to Pilates.
Wow,
We
how
doing the
exciting.
Pilates.
And may I know what tools do we need to do that, to do Pilates? What
The
tools
tools?
do we need? The tools
The tools.
or equipment?
Itu apa namanya?
Mat? Like small carpet?
Matras.
Yeah, oh, mattress. Yeah,
Bed
mattress.
or mattress?
Yes, mattress.
Mattress.
Mattress. Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Only the mattress.
Only that. Okay.
Yes. So we prepare the wearing nice clothes.
Okay. And what costume do you usually wear? Is it different from costume that you wear for other sports, or just the same?
The same with I wear when I go to jogging. The same.
So
I
you wear
think.
the same costume.
The same costume.
Okay. Okay. What about yoga? Have you ever done yoga?
Yoga. Before when we doing the Pilates, we try to do or doing. We try to do yoga.
Okay.
But yoga is so difficult.
Is it so difficult?
So difficult because
need more
stretching,
concentration.
need
Oh,
more
okay.
concentration, more stretching, and more breath. Pernafasan apa ya?
Yes, you need to take a breath more.
Take a breath more and apa ya, gerakannya tuh
The movements.
the movement is so hard for me.
Okay.
Pilates it's okay. Pilates is more smooth.
Smoother, yeah.
More smoother than yoga.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay, what about your children? Do you know what your children what sports do your children like?
My children, the 3 of sons, they are crazy about football.
Wow.
Crazy about football.
Do they play or just watch?
Play and watching.
Oh, okay. They also play.
Play and watch. Play and watching. Play and watch.
Yeah, they play and watch.
They
Watch
play
the football match.
Yes.
You know
Crazy
their favorite team?
Oh, Manchester United.
Manchester United. What about their football player? Favorite football player, do you know?
Favorite football player?
Ronaldo, Messi, or
I don't know the
you don't
name.
know about
I
that?
don't know
Oh,
the
okay.
name. Uh, cause the favorite is chance
Mm-hmm.
to always change,
Ah,
always
okay.
change.
Okay. So sometimes they like Ronaldo, sometimes they like Messi. Yeah.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
the best player always change,
Mm-hmm.
always change too.
Mm-hmm. To other
Uh,
player.
I I think the favorite is player is striker
Oh,
position. Maybe
oh, okay. So they like the striker one. Mm-hmm.
yes.
Okay. Okay, and here we have the snapshot, and here we have the top sports and fitness activities in the United States. So these sports and fitness activities are well known. Well known means famous in United States. We have football, baseball, soccer, ice hockey, basketball for the sports, and then on the right side for fitness activities, we have treadmill, running or jogging, walking, bowling, and then we also have weight training. Weight training is angkat beban. Now, do people in Indonesia enjoy any of these sports or activities, Miss Rini? What do you think?
I think football is the
Mhm.
famous sport in Indonesia.
Indonesia. What about
Yes.
baseball? Baseball is like
Baseball
cricket.
not the not the famous apa tidak
Yeah,
terlalu ya.
yeah. Indonesian people do not really like baseball. Yeah.
Yeah, do not really like
Mhm, mhm,
baseball.
mhm.
On maybe mean sedikit ya little.
Little. Mhm.
Mhm. Soccer
Okay.
is okay.
Yeah.
Soccer maybe the soccer is the same with the football.
Yeah. Mhm. The difference is like only American and British.
Yes.
What about ice hockey? Is it
Ice hockey,
familiar in Indonesia? I
not
don't think so.
familiar.
Mhm.
The only the people only the golongan tertentu kali ya. Ice
Okay, only
hockey.
certain people like ice hockey, maybe. Yeah.
Only the
Certain people, or yeah,
certain
certain people.
certain
Certain,
certain or
yeah,
certain
certain,
certainly certain
certain. Yes, from certain.
only certain people.
Certain. Oh,
Only certain people. Okay, ice hockey. Basketball, it's okay.
mhm.
Certain, okay.
Certain.
Certain is less.
Certain people is orang-orang tertentu.
Oh, orang-orang tertentu. Okay, certain people. Okay.
Okay. And what about the basketball
Basketball is famous in
Mhm.
Indonesia.
in Indonesia? Yeah.
Basketball, yes.
Mhm. But I think basketball is not as famous as football, right?
Football, yes.
Mhm.
Football.
Mhm. Okay, and what about the fitness activities? Are these
Fitness
fitness
activities.
activities well known to Indonesia or familiar with Indonesian?
Okay. Fitness activities. I think treadmill, running
Mhm.
or jogging,
Mhm.
walking, bowling, weight training is famous in Indonesia.
Mhm.
To
Mhm.
the fitness activities,
Mhm. Mhm.
they they go when the people go to fitness
Mhm. When go to gym, yeah.
uh, or gym,
Go to
they do
gym.
that.
Yeah.
They do the activities.
Yeah. And among these fitness activities, which ones you never do?
I never do.
Mhm.
Mm, I never go to fitness or gym.
Okay, so you never go to gym,
I
or
never
maybe
go.
you have the tools at home, like the treadmill. Do you have?
No, I don't have.
No. Oh, okay. So you only go jogging and maybe walking, yeah.
I uh I ever try to
Mm-hmm.
bowling activities.
Oh, okay. Is it heavy? Because I never tried.
Heavy the ball or
Is it,
happy?
yes, heavy the ball. Is the ball
Heavy,
heavy? Yes, heavy.
heavy the ball. Not really,
Mm-hmm.
not
How many
really.
kilograms they are?
I think three or around 3 and 5.
Oh,
I think.
do they have the same weight or different weight?
The same weight.
The same weight.
The same
Okay.
weight.
3 to 4 kilograms.
3 to 4. I think
Mm-hmm.
not too, not really too heavy.
Not really heavy.
Not really
Okay.
heavy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, what about weight training? Have you ever tried that? Maybe you have your own barbell at home.
I don't have.
You don't have, and
Yes.
you are not interested to do that.
No,
Okay, maybe not for women, yeah, because it can cause us having big muscle, right?
big muscle.
Yes, strong muscle. Okay. Mm-hmm.
If you do the barbell,
Mm-hmm.
if
The
you do
weight training.
barbell
Mm-hmm.
not well,
Mm-hmm.
your muscle is sick.
Okay, it can cause you. What is that?
What's that?
Wait, I forgot the name of Kesleo. Later,
Ya itu.
later I will find. Okay, yeah. You can say weight training. Weight training is
Weight,
angkat beban.
weight
Weight
training.
training
Oh,
is
no, no, no,
angkat
no, no,
beban.
no, no. I don't like it.
Okay, yeah, and it's quite dangerous, right, for
That's dangerous
certain people.
for me.
Okay,
I
uh-huh. And what, Mr. Dini?
what?
Yeah, what did you say before? It's dangerous for you and what?
Uh, Dangerous for me. Then uh, I have no big power.
Okay, I don't have big power,
I
strong
don't have
power. Okay.
strong power to
Mhm.
weight
To lift,
weight train.
yeah, to lift the weight, yeah. Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, which of these activities are popular? Okay, with the following age groups in your country. Okay, check the activities, then prepare. Okay, I will allow you to use the. Sorry. I will allow you to use the annotate. Oh, wait, let me use the. Yes. Okay, Mr. Dini, can you please check the box? Check the boxes.
Check the boxes.
Yeah, check the boxes like this one.
The boxes, the boxes, the boxes.
You can use the annotate, and then choose pencil
Oh, okay.
to
Yes.
tick the boxes.
Take the box. Yeah. Bike riding.
Mhm.
Age group. You can check the activities then compare with the part. Yeah, yes. Bike riding, things. Young adults, middle-aged people. Okay. Like the older people. I think yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Golf. Golf is young adult, middle-aged people. Older. Jogging. Things, okay. Muscle strain. Oh,
Yeah.
muscle strain.
Muscle strain.
Muscle strain. Jogging. Middle-aged people. It's okay. Is it okay? Okay. Martial arts?
Martial art is like
Mart
karate, taekwondo, judo, like that.
Oh, okay.
Pencak silat.
Okay. Young adults. Okay. Middle-aged people. Middle-aged people is around 40 or 50?
Yep. I guess 40.
40? Okay.
Mhm.
40 is okay. Pilates.
Pilates. Pilates. Mhm.
Pilates. Pilates. Mm-mm. Pilates is okay, so other people. Soccer. And yeah. Okay. Swimming and swimming is good.
Yes, I guess swimming is also good because I used to have a student. She's 62. She's 62, and then she still goes swimming every morning.
Yes. It's good for bone. It's
Yeah,
good for
for
bone.
bone and for lungs as well. Yeah.
Yes.
And she told me that she avoids sugars.
Avoid sugar. Oh,
Yeah, she avoids
okay.
sugar.
Okay. Yoga, okay. Yang ada. Volleyball. Volleyball is yang ada, okay. This. Middle. Yes. Finish.
Okay, finish. Okay, bike riding. Okay, bike riding. Riding. Yeah, sorry. Bike riding is popular for children. Yes, I agree because my children like riding bikes as well. Okay, and then teens,
Friends.
young adults. Okay, middle-aged people, older people. So, in your opinion, bike riding is popular for all ages. Yeah.
All ages. Yes.
Mhm. And then
Popular all
golf.
ages.
Okay, golf is popular for young adults and then middle-aged people and older people.
Older people.
Okay, and I have one more opinion for golf. Golf is popular for rich people.
Yes.
Right.
Because the sport is expensive.
Yeah. Okay, and then jogging, the cheapest sport. Yeah,
Yes, the cheapest
the
sports.
cheapest sport. When jogging is what is that? When jogging is expensive, then the expensive is not the jogging, but the shoes,
The
the
shoes.
costume,
Yes.
right?
The
Yeah,
shoes, the watch.
yeah, the watch as well. Okay, okay, jogging. Okay, so do you think jogging is not popular for older people?
It's too
Above
dangerous.
60, yeah,
Too
what is
dangerous.
that? Dangerous, yeah.
Yes.
And then we also have martial arts. Okay, martial arts we have for children, teens, young
Children, teens, young
adults,
adults,
middle-aged
and
people.
middle-aged people.
Yes. And then for Pilates, yeah, Pilates,
Ladies.
we have
Ladies.
middle-aged people. Okay.
Ladies. Yes.
Soccer, children, teens, and young.
Young.
Yeah, I agree with this. Okay, because soccer is quite hard for
Quite
middle-aged
hard.
people, right?
Yes.
Because it
Yes.
needs people for running, right?
Yes.
Running hard. Okay, and
Running
then
hard.
swimming.
And they
Okay,
just do the jantung apa ya? Heart
yeah.
ya?
Okay, too hard. Yeah, because it can cause a heart attack, right?
Heart attack, yes.
Yeah. And then swimming is popular for all ages.
For all ages.
Volleyball, yeah, volleyball for young adults. Okay, middle-aged people. Okay. And yoga is for middle-aged people and or older
Older
people.
people.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think almost there's almost no things like doing yoga,
Yes.
right? Even for
Not
young
popular.
adults,
Not popular in
yeah, not
teens.
popular as well. Yeah, even for young adults as well. So
Even for
in
young.
our office, every Friday morning, we do exercise on third floor. Sometimes we do aerobic, sometimes yoga, and
Yes,
then
yoga.
yeah, my team, for
Young
them who
adults
are still
maybe
very young, yeah, for them who are still very young, they
mm-mm,
don't like,
they don't like. Maybe
they
young
don't like
adults
yoga.
like
Yes,
Zumba. Maybe
Zumba.
Zumba.
Yes.
It's more energetic.
Yes, it's more energy. And the music is just, so
Yes, the music is so
challenging to dance.
challenging.
Okay, let me delete this first.
How often?
Yeah. There are two ways to read this word. Okay. So we have often. We also have often. We have
Often
often.
or
We have
often?
often. Both of them are correct, miss. Because
Oh,
we have British English and we have American English, right?
if British English, you
Mhm.
say often or often?
Often.
Often,
Okay, often. Okay.
often.
But if you ask me Miss Annie, which English do you prefer, British or American? I use both. Okay, I use both English and American, but mostly I use American English because American English is easier.
Oh,
Mhm.
okay.
And many people use American English more often than
Oh,
the what is that the British one.
okay.
Okay, so it's correct when you say how often or how often.
Okay.
Sometimes when I say how often to my students or to people, they don't understand. What? What? And then I change how often, then they understand.
Maybe they hear often
Yeah.
to
When I say oh yeah, often for baking.
baking,
Oh
often
yeah, okay.
baking.
Yeah, that's why when last time you said often, I was so amazed. Wow, Miss Rini said often. Wow, that's good. Because not many people know that. Many people
Okay.
tend to say often, right?
Often.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Often.
Mhm. Okay, can you please read the first question, Miss Rini?
How often do you exercise?
Mhm. It's okay if you want to say how often, Miss Rini.
How often?
Yeah.
How often do you
Yeah.
exercise?
Mhm.
Uh,
And the
I read
answers?
I read the apa ya?
Mhm.
The all of them.
Yeah, you
I
can
read
read the answers and later I will explain. You can read first.
uh, I run on the treadmill every day.
Mhm. And
Uh,
then
eh, I run on the treadmill every day.
I go.
Hmm, uh, tunggu.
Yeah.
Ini this is I choose or
Oh, no, you can read all the answers.
oh
Yeah, you just
I
read
read.
all the answers and later after you finish reading, I will explain about these sentences.
Okay.
Yeah.
I run on the treadmill every day.
Mm-hmm.
I go jogging once a week.
Mm-hmm.
I play soccer twice a month.
Mm-hmm.
I swim about 3 times a year.
Mm-hmm.
I don't exercise very often or
Mm-hmm.
much.
Mm-hmm.
Usually, I exercise before class.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. How often or how often do you exercise? Yeah. Remember, when it is yes no question, the ending can raise. But for WH question, the ending must fall. How often do you exercise? I
Oh,
run on the treadmill every day. Okay, so we have time signals here. We have time signals, keterangan waktu every day, once a week. Okay, or we call them as adverbs of frequency. Yeah, adverbs of frequency. Keterangan seberapa sering, frequency. Yeah, we have every day, once a week. It means one time a week, twice a month, two times a month, 3 times a year. You can say 3 times a year. And then for this one, I don't exercise very often, or I don't exercise very much.
very
I
much.
usually, you can say, usually I exercise before
Usually,
class, or I usually exercise before class. Yeah, as you can see there, usually and sometimes, okay, can begin a sentence. So you may put the words usually and sometimes at the beginning of a sentence or after the subject. So you can say, I usually go to school at 7 o'clock, for example, or usually I go to school at 7 o'clock. Okay. But for every day, once a week, twice a month, 3 times a year, often or much, you can put it at the back of or at the end of the sentence. Okay. Okay, and this is for WH question. And on the right side, Ms. Rini, we have yes no question. Can you please read the yes no question and the answers as well?
Okay. Do you ever watch TV in the evening?
Mhm.
That's right.
In
The intonation?
the intonation. Do you ever watch TV in the evening? Going up.
Do you ever watch TV in the evening?
Nah, not the evening, but the evening. The evening. The
Do you
evening.
ever watch TV in the evening?
Mhm.
Do you ever watch TV in the evening?
Okay, Miss Rini, before you
Okay.
continue, let me explain about the and the. The, yeah, and the. Okay, what's the difference between the and the? The is for, okay, vowel sound, for example, N. You do not say the N, but the N. The N.
The
Okay,
end.
the N. The
The end.
apple. The apple.
The apple.
The orange.
The orange. Oh,
Okay.
vocal. Vocal, ya?
Yeah, yes, vocal, vowel, sound, but not the letter, but the sound, bunyinya, because we have like umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. U is
You.
consonant, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so you don't say
Oh,
the
the umbrella.
umbrella, but the umbrella, because the sound of U is A. Umbrella, A.
The sound is U. It's consonant, not vocal.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
okay. So we don't talk about the letter, but the sound, bunyinya.
The
Okay,
sound.
vowel
Okay.
sound, consonant sound. You don't say, you
The
don't say.
the or the follow the sound.
Yes. Okay. So another example, table. You don't say the table, but the table, because T,
Okay.
yeah, that's consonant sound. Okay. And then
The
umbrella, maybe you think that umbrella starts with U, miss.
umbrella?
Yeah, and U is consonant sound, so it means we have to say the umbrella. No, because we don't read umbrella, but we read umbrella. Sorry, we don't read umbrella, but we read umbrella. Umbrella. So we say
Umbrella.
the umbrella.
So
The
the
umbrella.
umbrella.
The
The
umbrella.
umbrella.
The umbrella. Okay.
Okay.
So not the letter, but the sound. Okay.
The
Bunyinya. You.
Okay, Jen.
The
Do you
table.
ever watch TV in the
The
evening?
car. Okay. Next. Yeah. And then can you please read the answers? Yes.
Yes, I often watch TV after dinner.
Okay.
I
And then?
sometimes watch TV before bed.
Okay.
Sometimes I watch TV before bed. I hardly ever watch TV. No, I never watch TV.
Okay. Do you ever watch TV in the evening? Yes. Actually, for this question, Miss Rini, since this is yes no question, yes no question, you can just simply answer yes I do or no I don't. But this is the long answer. Okay, you can say yes, I often watch TV after dinner. I sometimes watch TV before bed. You can say I sometimes, or sometimes I watch TV before bed. Sometimes I watch TV before bed. Okay, I hardly ever. What is hardly ever?
Hardly ever. Always.
Hardly ever means hampir tidak pernah.
Oh, hampir tidak pernah.
Yes, I hardly ever watch TV. I hardly ever watch TV.
It's mean never.
Yes. No, not never. Hardly ever is almost never. Almost never. Yes, almost never. I hardly ever means hampir tidak pernah.
Hampir tidak pernah.
It means almost never.
Almost never.
Yes. Never is tidak pernah, right?
Yeah, almost never. Hardly
Yes.
ever, the same
Means almost never.
means almost never.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No, I never watch TV. Okay, never means 0%. It means you don't watch TV at all. Okay.
At all. Yes.
Yes. Okay, and then here with the present tense, always, almost, always, usually. Oh
Always.
yeah, I promise you to
Always.
send you the picture, yeah. Okay, after this I will send you the picture about the present tense.
Yes.
Anyway,
Yes.
anyway,
Yesterday.
yeah.
You
Anyway, this
promised to
morning,
me.
yeah. This morning I made the Telegram group. Did you notice, Miss? I
Really?
invited you to Telegram group. Maybe you can check first. Okay. Is that your Telegram number? I'm afraid that's not yours.
Telegram.
Let me send you the link. Let me send you the link first. Okay. Can you check the WhatsApp? Can you check? Yeah, can you check the WhatsApp? Yeah, I've just sent you the link for the Telegram group.
Okay.
You can click on the link.
Oh, I should to update my Telegram.
Okay. So it means you have to.
You need to update Telegram to the
Yeah.
latest version before you can use the apps.
Yeah, so you can re-download the Telegram first, yeah.
APK installation is restricted for this app. You can enable the system. No.
But or maybe your number is being used by other, because I found your Telegram account, Miss Rini.
Oh, yes?
And yes, and it was the last scene is yesterday.
No?
So maybe the number now is online.
No.
Are you online?
I'm not online in Telegram.
Let me show you, yeah. This one. I send you to your
The same
WhatsApp.
number.
Yes.
My number phone.
Yes. Can you check your WhatsApp right now? Yeah. I show you. So it's online. So it means the number is being used by other. Or maybe you're online, but you don't realize that. That's your number, right?
Yes, my number.
Okay.
The right
Maybe Miss Rini, it's online because you click on the link before that I sent to you, but you still need to update your
the apps.
Yes,
Maybe.
you still need to update the app. Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay.
Telegram. Okay then. So later you can update first.
Yes. Telegram. Install unknown apps.
Okay.
Maybe I try later.
Yeah, you can try later. Okay, now here we have a conversation entitled I Run Every Day. Okay, now you can see on the screen. Okay. Yeah, there is a conversation. Okay, can you please tell me who are in the conversation? Or how many characters are there in the conversation?
2 characters.
2 characters. Who they
2
are?
characters. Aaron and Relay.
Yes, Aaron and Relay. Now, let's read this conversation. Oh, wait. What is the title of the conversation?
I run every day.
Excellent. Okay, now let's read this conversation. I will read Relay, and you can read Aaron, Miss Rini.
I'm Aaron.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You have a lot of energy, Relay. Do you exercise a lot?
Well, I get up early and run on the treadmill for an hour every day.
Seriously?
Sure, and I do weightlifting.
Wow. How often do you lift weights?
I usually do it about 3 times a week. What about you?
Oh, I hardly ever exercise. I usually just watch TV or listen to music in my free time. I guess I'm a real couch potato.
Okay, have you ever heard about this real couch potato?
Real couch potato means
Couch potato means like
couch potato, the snack.
kaum rebahan.
Oh,
Okay, if in bahasa Indonesia we usually call it as kaum
couch
rebahan.
potato.
Couch potato,
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
like
okay.
lazy person.
I said that to my children. Couch potato.
Couch potato. Okay. Or sometimes you can also say lazy bone.
Lazy boy.
Lazy bone.
Bun.
Tulang.
Oh, lazy
Bone.
bone.
Tulang.
Lazy
Yeah, lazy
bone.
bone.
Lazy
Yeah,
bone.
couch potato or lazy
Couch
bone.
potato.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, now let's read this in turn. I will now read errand and you can read relay.
Really.
Yeah, are you ready?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. You have a lot of energy, really. Do you exercise a lot?
Well, I get up early and run on the treadmill for 1 hour every day.
Seriously?
Sure. And I do weightlifting.
Wow, how often do you lift weights?
I usually do I usually do it about 3 times a week. What about you?
Oh, I hardly ever exercise. I usually just watch TV or listen to music in my free time. I guess I'm real couch potato. This one, an hour. You can say an hour.
Oh.
Yeah, not an hour, but an hour. An hour.
Oh,
An hour.
nyambung ya. An hour.
Because when you say an hour, it seems like we feel strange here, right? Ganjil. An
Oh,
hour.
an
So
hour.
an hour.
An hour.
An hour. Like an apple. You don't say an apple, not an apple, but an apple.
Enable. Oh,
An apple.
okay,
And
okay.
then
Well, I
this one also, not do it, do it.
do
Do
it.
it.
Oh, I
Yes.
usually do it about three
Yes.
times a week.
I usually do it about
Do it
3
about
times
three
a week.
times a week.
And
What about you?
we also have it is.
It is.
So not it is, but it
It
is. It
is.
is.
It
It is.
is. It
Okay.
is. Well, I get up early and run on the treadmill for an hour every day. Okay.
Okay.
I do.
I
I do
will
it.
underline this
Wait,
one.
wait,
Wait. Which
wait,
one? This one. Weights.
wait.
With S.
With S
Yeah.
or with
Lift
S?
weights. Lift weights. Lift weights.
Lift weights.
Yes.
Lift weights.
Lift weights.
Okay.
Okay. I will underline some expressions here. Okay. Okay. Now, Miss Rini, I will be Aaron and you can be the relay. And for you have to, what is that? You have to substitute or you have to replace the underlined words, okay, into your own statements. Yes, okay. Miss Rini,
Yeah.
this one, as you can see, I will be Aaron and I will ask the same question. I just need to change this into your name. And then for relay, okay, we have underlined words, okay, run on the treadmill for an hour every day. You can change based on your own activity, okay. For example, you have a lot of energy, Miss Rini. Do you exercise a lot? And then you answer, well, I get up early and maybe I go swimming for 2 hours every day or once a week or twice a week. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, and then sure, and I blah blah blah. So you mention other activity or other sport. Okay, do you get what I mean?
Uh,
Okay, let me re-explain. Okay, let me explain again.
Yes.
Okay, so I will be Aaron and you will be Relay, and I will
Mhm.
ask you question.
Mm-mm.
You have a lot of energy, Miss Rini. Do you
Mm-mm.
exercise a lot? And then you answer this. You answer my question, okay, by changing the underlined words. Okay,
Changing
well,
the other.
changing the underlined words. So the underlined words yang di garis bawahi, you have to change with your own statements. For example, well, I get up early and I go jogging, or I get up early and I go swimming for 2 hours every day, or maybe twice a week. It's up to you based on your
Mm.
condition. Do you
Mm.
understand?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And then for this one, I ask seriously, and then you say sure, and I blah blah blah. So you mention other sport that you do.
Oh,
And then, wow. Okay, for example, here you answer, I go swimming. And then I
yes.
ask,
Yes.
wow, how often do you go swimming? And then I usually do it about how many times? Okay, what about you, Enson? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now I give you time for thinking about the statements first. Okay, and we can, after that, what is that? We can practice the conversation.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mm. You first or I?
Me first. I will read
Okay.
first. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. You have a lot of energy, Miss Rini. Do you exercise a lot?
Well, I get up early and I get up early and jogging
Go jogging?
for okay. Well, I get up early and go jogging for an hour every day.
Seriously?
For
Yeah.
sorry.
Uh-huh.
For half an hour every day.
Okay. Half an hour every day. Okay. Seriously?
Sure. And I do sure and I do uh bike riding
Oh, and I go bike riding.
and I go bike
Bike
riding.
riding. Wow. How often do you go bike riding?
I usually do it about uh once a week. What
Once a
about
week?
you?
Oh, I hardly ever exercise. I usually just watch TV or listen to music in my free time. I guess I'm a real couch potato. Okay, that's great. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and for this one, these are the percentage for always. When you say always, it means 100%. For example, Sunday to Saturday, I always go jogging. So it means from Sunday to Saturday, you go jogging. Almost always, yeah, 90 to 99%. Yeah, for example, only Sunday you don't go jogging, but Monday until Saturday you go jogging. Usually, yeah, usually it's after
Almost
almost
always.
always. And then we
Almost.
also have often, sometimes, hardly ever, almost never, and of course the easiest one is never, it means 0%. You
Never.
never do it, okay? Or
Okay.
you don't do it at all. And so it means I will share two pictures to you, yeah, for the percentage.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, let's try to do this exercise, Miss Rini. Put the adverbs in the correct place. Okay, put the adverbs in the correct place. So the adverbs are ever, twice a week, and then usually, almost always, and so on. sometimes there is more than one correct answer. So sometimes you can put the adverbs in the different positions. Okay, let's try number one. Do you play sports? Okay, so where you can put the word ever.
Do you play sport?
Where you put
Okay.
this the word ever.
Do you ever play sports?
Excellent. Would you please type the answer, Miss Rini? Type the answers, I mean.
Okay.
Yeah, until number 8 here.
I think this.
Yes.
No?
No. You retype the
Retype.
questions. Yes.
Okay, retype.
Right. Yeah.
Do you
Do
ever?
you ever?
Sebentar. Like this?
Mhm. You'd better retype the sentence. So, the full sentence, Miss Rini,
Oh,
like,
the full
do you?
sentence.
Yes. Do you ever play sports? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. This is sebentar ya.
Don't forget the question mark.
Oh, yes. Ulang lagi dong. Sure. I play soccer twice. Let's see. Twice a week. And what do you do on Saturday morning? What do you, what do English? I sleep until oh, almost. I almost always sleep until noon. Do you live with again? Oh, tanda bacanya. Udah. Wait, at gym ya?
Mhm. Yeah. Do you
At the gym?
at gym?
No, I live. No, I hardly ever live. Hmm. Hardly ever live at the beach. Do you exercise on Sunday? Oh, Sundays. Sundays, Sunday. With S.
Sundays, yes. When you say Sundays, it means every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
So
Oh,
not only one Sunday.
wah, ini kurang S-nya dong. Without S. Eraser. No, I will. Hadley ini. Oh, typo,
And sometimes it happens to me too. Typo.
typo.
It's
We want to see. Sometimes or usually is in front of the
Mhm.
subject.
Can be in front of the subject, can be after subject. Both of them are correct.
In the question
In the
sentence.
okay, for a question, after subject.
For a questions after subject.
Yeah. Do you sometimes
Do
walk
you
to school?
I don't see the sentence because
Okay. Oh.
sure I walk to school, blah 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 blah.
Oh, sure, I walk to school 5 days a week. 5 days a week.
5 days a week.
Mhm.
Okay, 5 days
A week.
a week.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, let's discuss one by one. Number 1A. Do you ever play sports? Would you please read, Miss Rini?
Do you?
Uh-huh.
Do you ever play sport?
Okay.
Sure.
Mhm.
Sure, I play.
Mhm.
No typo this.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sure, I play
play.
soccer. Sure, I play soccer twice a week.
Yes. And then next.
What do you usually do on Saturday? What do
Mhm.
you usually?
What do
No, no, no.
you usually?
What do you usually
Mhm.
do on Saturday?
Mhm. And
Nothing.
yeah, nothing much.
Lah, kok belum ada?
Actually, you accidentally delayed the answer.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
okay.
okay. It's okay.
Okay, nothing
You can
much.
just read. Mhm.
Okay, nothing much. I sleep until noon almost always. Okay, nothing much.
Mhm.
I almost always sleep until noon.
Well done. Next.
Do you lift weights at the gym?
We have. Yes. Okay. So
Kok nggak ada lagi?
yeah.
Oh, kehapus
Accidentally.
ya?
Yes.
Delete. Delete.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you often lift weights at the gym?
Yeah.
No, I hardly ever lift weight.
Yes. Weights. Okay. Number
Weights.
4. Mhm.
Plus S, weights. Okay.
Plus S.
Do you always exercise on Sundays?
Mhm.
No, I never exercise on Sundays.
Okay. Next.
What do you usually do after class? I go out with my classmate about 3 times a week.
Okay. I go out with my classmates.
I got.
Yeah.
I
Go
got.
out. Go out.
I got.
With
I got with my
my
classmates
classmates about.
3 times, about 3 times a week.
Okay. Next.
Do you often go to the movies? Yes, I go to the movies once a week.
Mhm.
Do you ever go bike riding? No, I hardly ever ride a bike. Do you sometimes walk to school? Sure, I walk to school 5 days a week.
Sure, I walk to school 5 days a week. Okay.
Sure.
Any questions about
5 days a week.
adverbs of frequency? We have sometimes, usually, often, and then once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, or once a day. And if this one. Okay. And the way to ask questions to ask about adverbs of frequency, you can ask how often or how often, seberapa sering. How often do you eat junk food, for example? How often do you do sports? How often do you go to Jakarta? How often do you go jogging, like that? And then this one, pernahkah? Do you ever watch TV in the evening? Do you ever eat junk food? Do you ever eat healthy food? And so on.
Like this.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Now let me ask you questions. And you can answer me with by using adverbs of frequency. Okay, Miss Rini, how often do you read books? How often do
Almost,
you read books?
I almost never read a book.
Okay, so
Yes.
I almost
Because
never read books.
I almost never read a book because the the news or the information I can read in the phone or in the laptop and the TV.
Okay,
So
on
I
okay.
on
Yes,
TV,
yes, on TV, on laptop,
on TV, on laptop, and
on social media.
on handphone
Yes,
and social media.
and social media.
No, I almost never read a book.
And what kind of articles interest you, or what
Uh,
kind of news interests you?
I can interest with uh, the politic and the economic situation and mm, about uh,
About what?
about healthy food,
Okay, about healthy lifestyle, yeah.
healthy lifestyle, and about the architect,
Yes,
architect,
architect.
architect,
Mhm.
the house and the interior design about
Okay.
house.
Oh, okay. Do you also design your own house?
I'm interested
Yeah,
in.
I'm interested
I'm
in
interested
politics.
in. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm interested in politics,
Mhm.
economy.
Okay, talking about politics then, since you are interested in politics, who is your favorite politic figure? Who is your favorite politician?
Favorite politic. Oh,
Politician. Who is your favorite
polit
politician?
politician
Mhm.
in Indonesia.
Yes, of course, in Indonesia.
In Indonesia, Joko Widodo.
Joko Widodo. Okay,
I see.
what makes you amazed with him, or what makes you like him as politician?
He is leadership, strong leadership. He is strong
He
leadership.
has a good leadership, yeah.
Yes, he is a good leadership, and uh, he he can mapping the situation and he apa ya merangkul
Okay. So we can say he hack, or he can't what is that? He can't gather
gather ya.
all.
He can gather the uh, a friend or apa lawan apa ya, a friend or
Rival.
rival, ri
Rival.
rival, a friend
Rivals.
and rival. He gather a friend and rival. uh, he make a situation calm, and he developed the country. I think my favorite, the one people in Indonesia.
Do you think Indonesia is a developed country or developing country? Developed country is negara maju. Developing means sedang berkembang.
Developed country and developing country.
Yes. What do you think about Indonesia?
Indonesia go to developed country.
Okay, so it means Indonesia is still developing, yeah. Developing country.
Above.
Okay, above that.
Yes.
Okay. Or do you think it's because of Mr. Joko Widodo?
I think that the 10 years, Mr. Joko Widodo
lead the country. Yes, lead
the country. Yes, lead the country. Indonesia above now. Indonesia above Malaysia,
yeah.
above Philippines, above.
I agree.
Yes, in the South in Asia.
So
lead. Okay.
It becomes more popular.
It becomes more popular. And Thailand, Thailand is stay, not develop.
Okay. So Thailand still stays there, yeah, not developing.
Not developing because the crisis in the domestic politics.
Oh, I see. And what is your opinion about the strike or demonstration that was done by people last time?
I agree with the demonstration because the Mahkamah Konstitusi,
legislative, yeah.
Yeah, MK ya. Mahkamah Konstitusi, it means
constitutional.
Constitutional. What?
The highest constitutional, am I
Maybe
right?
the high constitutional. Memutuskan apa itu tuh?
Decide.
Decide.
The
highest constitutional decide the age of the batasan umur apa ya? The age.
Yes. The age for being.
The age for election. The age for election. The age for
being
election constitutional court. Okay, constitutional court.
For being what is that? For being the governor or mayor mayor. Governor, right? Governor for Jakarta, right?
Yes, governor Jakarta or Central Java. Yes.
I think for Jakarta. Yeah.
Jakarta.
Okay, so you agree with the strike?
Yes. I agree with the demonstration. And partai apa ya? Partai?
Partij. Yes.
Partij. And the partij in the little vote yang suaranya kecil tuh apa ya?
Okay, so you can say the smallest party, the smallest party, the smallest party.
Small party.
Yes.
Okay, the small party can join the election and
can or cannot
mengajukan.
Okay.
Mengajukan calon.
Okay, so they can't. What is that? They can give the candidate, yeah, candidate. Yes.
Candidate.
They may have candidate for the governor.
They may have candidate to governor.
Okay.
Governor.
Governor. Okay. Okay, and you used to live in Jakarta, right? Of course, you experience when Mr. Anies Baswedan. Did you
Yeah.
experience? Yeah, when Mr. Anies Baswedan was the governor of Jakarta?
Yes. I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
What is your opinion
I'm not
about
interesting.
his leadership?
I'm not interesting with
Mhm. His
his
leadership.
leadership.
Why?
Mhm.
Mhm.
Because along to
Mhm.
5 years, maybe along to 5 years,
Mhm.
he is a governor in Jakarta. The developing, I not see a developing in
In Jakarta.
in many place or many region in Jakarta.
Mhm.
And then the project, I
Mhm.
think, yeah, the
Mhm.
project in Jakarta in governance.
Mhm. Do you mean they are not finished yet?
They're not finished yet.
Okay.
Mm.
So, in your opinion, who is the best figure for the next governor for Jakarta?
Ridwan Kamil and his
Mhm.
partner
Oh,
is
Ridwan
to
Kamil and who? Who is his partner?
Ridwan Kamil and maybe the party of PKS.
Okay.
His partner Ridwan
Okay.
Kamil, the party of Golkar and PKS.
Does
Uh,
Ridwan Kamil belong to Golkar or?
Ridwan Kamil belong to Golkar.
Okay, he belongs to Golkar. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so I hope that whoever will be the governor for Jakarta, I hope in the future Jakarta will be better in every aspect, yeah?
Yes, I hope so.
I hope so. Okay, Ms. Reni, thank you so much for sharing your opinion about politics. So I know more
Thank
about politics from
you.
your point of view. Okay, that's all for today. Do you have any question about today?
I try to update the
Update the
Telegram.
Telegram so that you
Okay.
can see the progress report of our class.
Yes, and I want
Yes.
to I need
Oh yeah, and the pictures, right?
the pictures
Yeah,
and
and Miss Arlene
my
told me,
lesson. My
yes,
lesson.
yeah,
I learned
the
to
PDF,
the
yes,
yesterday and today.
yeah. So
Battery.
I also share the link. I will also share the link for this recording. So I upload to YouTube, but don't worry, it's unlisted, so only you can watch the video.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And the PDF as well. Actually, I have send the PDF to our Telegram group, Miss Rini, so you can download that. So first you can update your Telegram and then you can check our Telegram group. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Question so far? Oh
Miss
yeah,
Neni,
Miss Arlene.
how about tomorrow?
Miss Arlene asked me to discuss this with you. Tomorrow afternoon, I have scheduled in UNES until afternoon, so I cannot have afternoon class.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
that's
why
right.
last time I told Miss Arlene how if the class is rescheduled, so there is no class on Thursday, but
Okay.
the end of our course will be at 3 September.
At
3 September.
3 September?
Yes.
3 September,
Are you available?
uh,
Or
I am in London.
oh yeah,
I
I
will
see.
be in London.
Oh yeah, wait. Wait a moment. Let me check
I
first.
arrived in Jakarta
Oh yeah.
I arrived in Jakarta in 8 September.
Okay. Mm,
So I start to work again in my office in 9 in Monday.
Oh, okay.
9
Oh, okay. I
September.
see. I see. I see. So it means, oh, okay. I mean 3 October, Miss Rini. Based on the schedule, your class will end at 2 October, right? Based on the schedule.
Okay.
So if there is no class tomorrow, then our class will end at 3 October then.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll have break, yeah, for the
Okay, we
class.
break and start again in September.
Yes, September 28. Sorry. No. September 11. September 11.
September 11. Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
In Monday, Thursday,
Wednesday, September 11,
Wednesday. Oh,
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay.
Yes.
11 in
11
Wednesday.
September. Yeah, on Wednesday.
On Wednesday.
Wednesday.
On Wednesday.
On
Okay.
Wednesday. And I hope that we can have offline class. But if it is, I mean, if you
Miss
cannot have
Neni?
offline, yes, Miss? Oh yeah, yeah. And I hope we can have offline class, Miss Rini. Okay, but if you cannot, that's okay for having online class.
Maybe your network is.
Oh yeah. What about now? I can hear your voice clearly. Can you hear my voice clearly?
I hear
Yes.
your voice, but your face
My
is
video
lag.
is okay.
My
I can
your
see. I
video.
can
Yeah,
see
okay,
you.
okay.
Okay, I
Okay,
can see
Miss
you clear.
Neni, thank
Okay, thank you
you.
so much, Miss. See you after break time, yeah. Okay. Okay,
See you
11
after
September then.
my
11
break time.
September.
Okay,
11 September.
11
Okay, thank you,
September.
Miss.
Okay,
Assalamualaikum.
thank you,
You're
Miss. Waalaikumsalam
welcome.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah.